Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how you can easily unrestrict someone on Facebook Messenger. To unrestrict any profile or anyone on Facebook Messenger, first you have to open Facebook Messenger app. After you open the Facebook Messenger, like you can see no profile is shown here. Like you have to unrestrict someone, you have to click on the top left corner 3-line menu button. After click on it, on the top right side you will see the settings icon. You have to click on it. After click on it, you have to go below and click on privacy and safety. After click on privacy and safety, you will see below restricted accounts option. You have to click on it. Like you can see one account is restricted here. You have to click on this account. After click on this account, here you can see an option called unrestrict. You have to click on it. Now you can see that this account is unrestricted in Facebook Messenger. I will show you this. Now you can see that this profile is shown on the home icon or home window of this Facebook Messenger. Like this you can do also. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching this video.